I'm pretty sure every mom right there, right now, is watching going, hold on, no. My mom told me, I've told my kids, if it's that cool in the morning, you're walking out with a jacket or you're going to catch a cold. Well, at least it's not going to feel like fall. Today, this Sunday, it's going to feel more like early summer because the weather's going to be absolutely beautiful. We're going to be at about 70 degrees just before lunchtime. Shorts and T-shirts is not another question for today. You'll definitely need sunglasses, and we'll have sunshine really all throughout the day. We have a lot of sunshine right now throughout the Palmetto State. A beautiful start to our Sunday morning. But keep in mind that the National Weather Service does have a wind advisory for central South Carolina from the PD through the Midlands and the CSRA until 3 o'clock this afternoon with winds. Well, they're going to be picking up. They already are now. Wind sustained coming out of the west-southwest, almost about 15 to 16 miles an hour. But we already have wind gusts being reported that's over 25 to 30. The temperatures, though, 62 in Sumter and in Columbia, 60 in Greenwood, a bit cooler in Orangeburg at 58 degrees. The overall scope is that these temperatures have blossomed, pushing over 15 degrees warmer than we had yesterday, and it's going to be a absolutely beautiful day. Cold front is strewn from western North Carolina through the upstate all the way into the Central Plains, and as it makes its way through, the little bit of cloud coverage that's moving through North Carolina, well, that's going to slowly diminish. And then for us, may have a cloud or two for the afternoon. Otherwise, it is going to be another beautiful day as we get into later on tonight and through the overnight hours. The skies will stay clear, but cooler air is going to be coming in right behind the front. So as we start off this afternoon, we'll end up mostly sunny, a high of 78 degrees. The front moves through overnight tonight, and then we'll get a little bit cooler. So in the morning, a low of 44, despite being only 70 degrees, is still above average, and it'll be sunny tomorrow afternoon. Then on Tuesday, mostly sunny, a high of 45. We'll end up with a high of 75 degrees. Then another front approaches the Palmetto State, so a little more cloud coverage on Wednesday, a high of 74. Thursday, it'll be mostly cloudy. We'll end up with a high of 71, but at least we'll stay above average. Friday, a mix of sun and clouds with a high of 73. And by Saturday, we'll start off a low of 54 degrees, and we'll end up with a high of 72.